plata, plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Power Hour Clean with me. This is a morning power hour and most of my time is going to be spent in the kitchen. I'll be here for around 13 minutes if you have something to get done. You might not get it all done with me, but at least you can get started, so let's go.
Sexo conmigo que yo te lo meto bien duro. I bought a Benz straight from the trap. I don't like paying no taxes. I don't need friends, solo na mami, papi te enseño what racks is. Me and my bitch, we got a bitch, yeah we treat her like a pet. She keep it G, she keep it tranqui, but she be down with the set. Ay, me and my bitch, we got a bitch, yeah we treat her like a pet. Ay, EBK if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Ay, spam bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Ay, spam bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Vestido Mbappé, rich como Mbappé, I can never let her up stop me. In the backseat, I'm with your bitch, si me encanta ese topic. Windows black, that's a fact, she don't even mind getting sloppy. Shooter outside, holding the mat, si le digo dispara y like copy. Ábrame la ventana para ventilar este humo. Fuck you, Mr. Officer, soy un trap star, so you know. Fumo, bebo, vendo, ¿qué le digo? Pa'l carajo ese celdo. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this bitch on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Yeah.
If you're new here, my name is Beverly. I'm a Jamaican living in Jamaica. I'm a mom of boys, 3 boys and 2 bonus boys. And we've lived in this house since 2021.
And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get cute. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
the dishes now, only to go over to the stove and find something else. And then as I move over to the other side of the stove and to the counter, I find some more dirty stuff. It was just one of those mornings. This is probably one of my favorite purchases for my kitchen. It's a shelf that just attaches to the stovetop with magnets, and it just attaches so seamlessly it actually looks like it's a part of the stove. if you made it this far. Thank you for spending 13 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in a brand new video soon. Bye.